Welcome students, welcome to my live class, and today I am going to share here the questions related to coordinate geometry, okay? And in this question, okay, there will be the term collinear, okay? Question is like this, look here. I am going to show you here question, okay? Question is asked like this. If the points, okay, if the points, okay, there are given 3 points. One coordinate is P0, right? And next coordinate is 0, okay? This is Q, right? And third coordinate is given there 4 comma 4, okay? 4 comma 4. This third coordinate are collinear. These are collinear, okay? These are the collinear point, and asked here to prove. By using that condition we have to prove here. Here is given to prove. Prove PROV, prove here, okay? Prove, we have to prove here 1 by, okay? Here is asked to prove that, okay? Prove that 1 by P plus 1 by Q equals to 1 by 4. It is asked to prove here, okay, by using the condition of this collinear. And what is the meaning of collinear? That also I want to show you here. And in this solution, look here, this given one, okay, what is given in this one? Look, I want to show you in this line, okay. Meaning of collinear means, suppose there is here in this line there is A, suppose this one A, and this is B point here is, okay, and this is C. The meaning of collinear means this all points, given points, are lying on the same line, okay. This coordinate is here P, okay, comma, it's 0, okay, this is 0, and here is coordinate given there, this is 0 comma Q, okay. This is the coordinate of B, and coordinate of C is given there 4 comma 4, okay. 4 comma 4 coordinate is given there, third one. And look, this meaning of, look, once again I repeat, this collinear meaning is these given points are lying on the same line, okay. This condition we are using here, okay. Write a solution, okay. And if there is given the collinear condition, okay, this collinear is given, that means when you find the slope, look, they are lying on the same line. That's why the slope of AB and the slope of BC, okay, when you find the slope, when you find the slope of this A, B, then BC, okay, that slope will be equal right here, okay. It is given there slope, okay, slope of AB is given equal with slope of BC. These two slopes are equal, okay. Slope of AB equals slope of BC. Why do you know? Because this 3 points are lying in the same line, that means the slope will be same. That is the meaning of this collinear. Okay. Now, as we know that, okay, if this is x1, y1, and the second point is we are taking x2, y2, right? And its slope formula is there, y2 minus y1. We are writing here y2 minus y1 by, okay, right here x2 minus x1, okay, and this side, this is 1, okay, this is x2 minus x1, this is okay, and this is equals to, here also we have the formula of slope, that is y2 minus y1. We write here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, okay, right here x2 minus x1. Then while putting the values of this, okay, y2 minus y1, we have to use this a b, okay. This first coordinate we are taking as always x1 y1, okay, x1 y1, we take it x1 y1, okay, and second one we take it as x2 y2 always, okay, x2 y2 here, okay, this is x2 y2, okay. And now look here, for y2 minus y1, what is here, y2 minus y2 is q there, right, a q minus y1 is here 0, okay, right, is 0, and by, and x2 is what is here, x2 is there 0, right, and minus, and x1 is there p, right, p equals to, and now this is for the bc, for bc this is x1, okay, for bc this is x1 y1, right, this is first coordinate, that's why this is c is there x2 y2 right here, second coordinate we are writing as x2 y2, okay. And while finding this slope of bc, what is x2 here, x2 is there 4, y2 is there 4, that's why y2 value is 4, and minus y1 is there, this is y1 is q, right here q, okay, q, and whole upon what is this, x2 minus x1, x2 is also 4 here, right here 4, minus, and x1 is 0 there, right here 0, okay. Then what to do, look here, or this will be now q by minus p, q by minus p equals to, what will be this, 4 minus q, okay, and down there is 4, right. Now let's do cross multiplication. If we do cross multiplication, it will come here, look, 4q equals to, and here is minus p multiplied with 4, it will be minus 4p, right, and here is minus p into minus q, we have to write here plus pq right here, okay, right, plus pq here, okay. Then when we write here this 4q, this side it will be here 4p, and here is already 4q, write a 4q right this side, okay. And what is remaining here on the right side, look here children, here is q, okay, pq. Now when we divide this one, okay, we have to bring, look, result, here we need 1 by 4, right, we need 1 by 4, that's why let's divide, okay, right here dividing, okay, dividing both sides by, dividing both sides, okay, dividing both sides by, okay, 4pq right there, 4pq, because we need here 1 up and down 4, that's why let's divide here, here also we are dividing 4p plus 4q, okay, here also dividing by 4pq, right, a 4pq, and here also we divide by 4pq, okay, and this side we will write here pq is also divided by 4pq right here, okay, 4pq. Now when you cancel, look here children, when you cancel, I am separating the place here, and when you cancel this, what will remain, look here, 4p cot here is 1, and 4q and 4q cot here is also 1 by p, and pq are all pq cot. Then what is remaining here? Therefore, right here, and the remaining is there. Okay, 1 by, here is, you can add 1 by p first as given in the question. I'm writing like this: 1 by p is this remaining from second, and this plus, what is there? Here plus is 1 by q, right there, 1 by q equals to, and there is given 1 by here is 4. Okay, like this we derive this relation from this question, which is proved. Okay, this is called proved. This is asking the question. Okay, question was asking this condition to prove, we have proved it. Okay, there is some part is hidden, that's why I am going to do this little bit up here. These points are ABC. Okay, now here also we can write, if you cancel this one, what is there? Here is remaining, we can write it. Therefore, here is the second one we are writing first, 1 by p plus, here also 1 by q first one, and here last one remaining there, 1 by 4. Okay, it was asked to prove, then it is proved here. Now proved it. Okay, this condition is proved here, I hope. Everybody understood. Okay, here if there is hidden one, this one I am writing is at the side. Okay, when you cancel this, here is remaining, second one is remaining there, 1 by, okay, p that I am writing first, plus next one is remaining there, 1 by q. Okay, and last there is remaining there, 1 by 4. Okay, then we tried to prove our condition which was given to prove, that is proved here. Okay, in this question, I hope you understood now, right? Like this we have to prove here. Okay, by cancelling this, it's the remaining one. Okay, similarly, okay, look, I am going to show you the similar next question. mm, in which it is given. Okay, I'm clearing this. It's clear, and question is like this here. Question is here. Okay, according to this question, what is asked to prove? Look here. Here is also given the similar one. Okay, if okay, if question is asking that if xy, one coordinate is given xy here. Okay, if xy is it is given there, xy is if xy is if xy is any point, it is given any point. Okay, if xy is any point on a straight line. Okay, straight. Okay, on a straight line. Okay, which passes through. Here is given which passes through. Okay, which passes through given there a comma 0 and the point is given 0 comma b. Okay, then asked to prove that is asking to prove so that you have to show by using this one. Okay, p by okay, this will be the previous one condition that okay, here is given to show that 1 by this also not 1, there is given x. Okay, x by a plus y by b equals to 1 is asking to prove here. Okay, like this we have to prove this one. Okay, just a minute, wait. Okay, and it is also same. These 3 points are given here. Okay, one is xy and there is a0 and there is 0b. Okay, they are collinear here also. We are using same thing here. Okay, that we did in previous question. Okay, and here is given, suppose this a coordinate is given there a comma 0 right here, and there is given another point right b, this suppose b. Okay, that is xy, right, xy, clear, and this another c, that is third one, that is 0 comma b. Okay, like this, and now we have to prove that these all 3 points lying on the same line, that means they are collinear. Find the slope of AB, then BC, right here, slope of slope of AB equals to slope of BC, okay, because they are collinear, that's why their slope will be equal. Slope of BC, right? Realize this, and so here now its formula is y2 minus y1, okay, by x2 minus x1 here, okay, equals to, here also same formula we have to use here, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 here, okay. Now let's put the values here. As I told, we take second coordinate as x2 y2 and first coordinate x1 y1. Then y2 is the y minus 0, and down there is x minus, okay, a, because x1 is here a, right? And put here now for this one second, this x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and y2 is there b, right? B minus y, okay, this is b minus y, okay, this is b, I'm writing a b, okay, and this b minus y, and this 0 minus x here will be here, 0 minus x, right? Okay, and then here write y by x minus a, this is, okay, then here is remaining, this was 0, right? And it is b minus y, right? This b minus y only, this is, and what is remaining here now? Minus x only, right here, okay. Now this is remaining, now let's do cross multiply here. What happens? Look here, if you multiply with this, it will be minus xy, okay, and if you cross multiply with this, x multiply with this both, it will be bx minus xy, okay, and then it's down minus a multiply with b, this is minus ab, right? Then minus a with y, it will be plus ay, right? Write a plus ay. Then when you bring this minus xy this side plus xy, this will be cancelled, right? And here is now we have to bring this minus ab on this side, this will be ab, and here is remaining now, look here, bx, and what is remaining here? Ay, okay, ay, right this side ay, okay. Now our results we have to see, we have to bring here a below this and below this one, look here, that's why dividing both side by, right there, here also we have to divide, okay, this side, right, or ab by ab, do here ab by ab, okay, and equals to, here will be bx by also ab, okay, ab, then what will happen, look here students, here's ay, this also divided by ab, okay, we are dividing, we can write dividing both side by, right here, dividing both side by ab, okay, dividing, okay, both sides by, right, like this, dividing both sides, okay, by ab, right, like this, okay. Then what will remain here? Then we can write it, therefore here this side we can write, we can draw here space, okay, this separate this space, okay, like this, okay, and here I have separated this space, then ab cancel, here's remaining 1, right, and then here bb cancel, and here a cancel, then what happened, here is remaining x by a plus y by b, here is 1, therefore we got that x by a plus y by b equals to 1, okay. This was asked to prove and we have proved here, okay. This is the question related to collinear, and here we use collinear means the points which lie on the same line, okay. That time we have to find the slope of AB and slope of BC. They are lying on the same line, that's why their slope will be equal. That condition we are using here, okay. I hope you understood, and today this much only, okay. keep watching my videos, okay? And here is also some part is hidden here, okay? I want to make you a bit clear about it. Here in this part, okay? Here was there. I want to show you here. This was divided, okay? Both side was divided, okay? This AB was here and AB was also divided by AB. Then it was cancelled and it is 1. And on the right side there was BX, that BX was also divided by AB. Then here cancel, BB cancel, okay? A was remaining here, X by A. And next term there was AY. AY was also divided by AB, okay? And this A and this A cancel, Y by B was left. That result I have written here, okay? That's why in this line there is something written that we have written here, dividing both side by, okay? We wrote this condition is what? Dividing both side by AB, okay? Dividing this condition also there is written. This is this, okay? Dividing both sides by AB. Both sides by AB. This condition is there main. We should remember this also. Dividing both sides by AB. By AB, right, like this, okay? Okay, thank you very much. See you again next day. To this much only. Bye bye.